Okay, ready, gentlemen, now we have the seat first. Now we have the seat first. We go to the next point. We do snorkeling. Now we do snorkeling. We have snorkeling now. Okay, everyone, we stay here about 20 or 40 minutes before we do snorkeling. I know everyone can swim, but today we have life jacket. We have life jacket first, and then we have snorkel, and we go to water. I know we can swim, but if you have someone problem, the police look at me. I hope you understand me, huh? I have daughter, oh my God, huh? Okay, now, I teach snorkel to everybody, huh? If we lost 1,000 by each, if you have life jacket and you say, oh, I want to free dive, take it off life jacket, and then you free dive. And then you come up and you take life jacket back to the boat. Don't leave life jacket.
All right, let's snorkel at Maya Bay in Thailand. So it's so amazing. I'm snorkeling at the Maya Bay here. After earlier I walked at the beach. It is not allowed to swim on the beach itself, but here at the bay it is allowed. And this is the third stop for today, and lots of boats are coming in. So you need to be careful. Yes, Maya Bay, ladies and gentlemen, in Thailand. It looks so amazing and so nice. It is 21st of December 2024, 1:30 p.m. and it's time to snorkel here on this spot. I actually brought my own snorkel, but they were giving away also to use from the boat. So the tour started today from Phuket, the harbor for the speedboat, and then it continued to Lay Island. First spot was the lagoon, then we continued to Maya Bay the beach, and now Maya Bay the lagoon. And the beach was so amazing, but unfortunately we cannot swim there. And yeah, cool. Let's snorkel a bit more. Nothing much to see here, by the way. It's not so many stuff actually, but yeah, it's beautiful anyway. Let's see if I can go around and check on the other side if there is something more exciting at the rocks over there. So now I go on the other side of the island towards the rock formations, and hopefully I can see something more on that side. Oh, there's even a beach over there. That's nice. Now I think here we can get a much better view. Five eight I found is the number of the boat, so I remember it. So nice. Alright, now let's snorkel a bit more. It is still deep, so we're gonna go a bit further more. But that beach over there looks so beautiful and so nice. Now let's continue the beach adventure. Snorkeling and Maya Bay continues. It's so amazing.